Hello everyone, today there's another great news to share with everyone. I found the best software router system that can be flashed on Android phones. It is very lightweight, power saving and smooth. The biggest advantage of this mobile software router system is its killer feature. As long as the phone accesses the internet through VPN, it can directly share the VPN traffic to all devices at home through the phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, such as TV, computers, other phones and smart home appliance. Why do we need to use a VPN? This is because some countries are not on the list of supported countries for OpenAI ChatGPT, so they cannot access ChatGPT. In this case, we need to use a VPN to use IP address from other countries that allow access to ChatGPT. This is when we need to use a VPN. Of course, there are also other reasons, such as increased security. Using the phone as a software router is the perfect solution. At home, the phone can connect to the Wi-Fi router and then broadcast a Wi-Fi hotspot for sharing VPN access with all other devices at home. When traveling outside, the phone can use its SIM card for internet access and then broadcast a Wi-Fi hotspot to share VPN access traffic. Truly perfect. Okay, let's go check it out on my phone right now. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my Xiaomi phone. Yeah, I'm using this Xiaomi phone. This is a Xiaomi 6, which is released maybe 7 years ago. Yeah, I bought it from the second-hand market. It's very cheap. Maybe cost me like $50 US, very cheap. And I flashed with this Android system, which supports the VPN sharing. Yeah, we can use this phone as a Wi-Fi router. Yeah, VPN Wi-Fi router. Then we can share the VPN connection with our computer and with our TV and all your smartphone or your smart appliance. Yeah, it's very useful. And let's have a check. And go to the settings and go to the network and internet. Go to there, and you can see here is VPN. Click the VPN button. I already connected with this VPN connection. Yeah, you can connect with your own VPN and share your own VPN to your computer, your other smartphone, your other phones and Android phone, iPhones. And I already opened the hotspot here. Hotspot. Yeah, click this hotspot tethering, and I already opened my hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, with the hotspot name Mi6, and the critical important the function is allow clients to use VPNs, permit hotspots clients to use these devices' VPN connections for upstream connectivity. Yeah, this function is very cool. So we can use this phone and the Wi-Fi hotspot and sharing your VPN to your PC, to your other appliance. And you can see the network and internet, and go to this hotspot and tethering, and go to Wi-Fi hotspot and allow clients to use VPNs. It's really cool. Then you can, for example, I will open my PC and click here, and you can see, have a look that you can connect this here, Mi6, and you can click this hotspot here. Yeah, this one hotspot name is Mi69297. Then you can connect Mi69297 connected, and you can set your password. Click this Wi-Fi name here, and you can set your password, simple password, hotspot password. I set 8888888. It's really cool. Then you can connect and with this password 88888888 and connect next. Yes. Then you can connect with this Xiaomi phone, and you can open and go to the AI ChatGPT. If you cannot visit the ChatGPT, for example, here you can visit this ChatGPT here. So if your country is not supported with the ChatGPT, then you can use this VPN to make your PCs or your phones share your VPNs to other equipment. It's really cool, this function. Okay, so how we can realize this function? We can flash this LineageOS using our PC to flash this LineageOS onto our Xiaomi phone. But before you flash onto your phone, we needed to unlock your Xiaomi phone. For the how to unlock your Xiaomi phone, I will put the video link down below this video description for you to make a reference how to unlock your Xiaomi phone. In my another videos at the beginning, I will give you of that video, you will see how to unlock your Xiaomi phone. After finish the unlock, then we can flash this LineageOS onto our Xiaomi phone. Yeah. So now after you finish to unlock your Xiaomi phone, next we needed to open this my blog. So I will show you the step-by-step how to flash this LineageOS onto our Xiaomi phone to make my phone as a Wi-Fi router to share our VPN. Yeah. Then let's go to this web link. I will put this web link down below this video description for you to open this link and to download some files for the flash this phone. Okay, so first we needed to open this link of the LineageOS. We can click this link, we can right click, open in the new tab here, open link in the new tab, and we go to here. So it's cool, right? So go to here and we click get the Lineage. This is the LineageOS or official website, and then we click get the LineageOS, click it, and then we go to some introduction, and here you can choose your phone model here. Different model, Asus and Google's, Nothing, Samsung, Realme, Razer, OnePlus, Nvidia, Nubia, and Sony, different brand. And for me, I'm using the Xiaomi, so I click the Xiaomi, click it, go to the Xiaomi, and we go to here down. You can find the different models which can be used for the flash of the LineageOS. Yeah, that LineageOS supports sharing your VPN through your hotspot. Yeah, well, Wi-Fi hotspot. We go download, and down here the Mi 6. This is my model. Yeah, Mi 6 and Mi 8. Every model you can choose your own model, and click the Mi 6. Click it, and here some introductions. Get the build here. Click it. Get the build here. Click it, and you can download the 2 files. It's very easy. So first, this one. Latest nightly gadget, this zip file, which means that's the room file. You need to click this download button to download this file. It's around 1 gigabyte. Yeah, 1 gigabyte. Because I already downloaded, so I will no longer download it again. So next one is a recovery for me. The recovery I already downloaded. Click this download button, and the size is not very big, around 20 megabyte. So click this button to download it. Because I already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. So 2 files needed to be downloaded. This one and this one. And for this one, there's no need to download this one because this one already included in this one. Already in this file, so we don't need to download that again. Okay, so 2 files downloaded onto our PCs. This is one thing we need to do. Okay, then close it and get the build here. Click it, and then the next one is installation guide. Just have a look, the introduction of how to flash this LineageOS onto our phone. Click this installation. Some introduction of this. You need to read the introduction carefully. How to flash this LineageOS onto our phone. Click next. So we need to unlock our Mi phone. Yeah, Mi unlock, and unlock the phone. And the next step, some introduction of the into the fast boot mode to flash the recovery. Here, the recovery we just downloaded this recovery IMG file. Yeah, next, and click next step is we just flash the phone, so this LineageOS onto our phone. Yeah, side the zip file. This zip file, as I mentioned, around 1 gigabyte. So we just flash this room file onto our Xiaomi phone. Yeah, and then click next. The next one is the if you want to use the Google, so then you need to flash the Google files onto your Xiaomi phone. But for my suggestion, I think we don't need to flash the Google because we only use this phone as our for Wi-Fi router, so there's no need to use Google. So you can see, have a look. I didn't install the Google GMS on this phone. Here, have a look. So this is the basic applications here. It's very smooth and fast. Here you can see, very smooth and fast. So I don't recommend that you flash the Google's GMS for this Xiaomi phone because we only use it for the Wi-Fi router to share our VPN. Okay, click next, finished. last step finished. It's very simple. So, and next I will close it, and then we go back to this blog, and we need to download this developer tool for the ADB tool to flash this system onto our Xiaomi phone. We just right click and open in a new tab, and go to the Google's developed to download the platform tool. Yeah, we go to here and download the STK platform tool for Windows. We just click this one for the Windows. Click it and go down, and we just have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Download Android SDK platform tool for Windows. Click it, just click it, and we can download it here. So I will already download it, so I will not download it again for this file. Yeah, download it again. So next we go back to the platform to the blog, and we need to download another file, which means the driver, USB driver to connect your PC with your phone. So we need to download this driver to install the driver onto for your PC. Then your PC can recognize this Android phone, this Xiaomi phone. We just click this link, right click, open in a new tab, and we just click here. Yeah, and we just click download here. The size is not very big, 8.27 megabyte. Just click it to download, because I already downloaded, so I will not download again. Okay, just close it. Then everything is finished. Yeah, that's the file already downloaded. Let's go back to my folder here. I already downloaded USB driver and the recovery and the platform tool and the LineageOS, so the size is like 1 gigabyte. And this one is my VPN application. Yeah, VPN APK, as I show you. I'm using this different VPN, like this one. They are all the VPN software, VPN applications. So I will just send this application to our mobile phone. I will show you later. Okay, so perfect. Everything is ready. And we just right click this USB driver, right click and extract this zip file. You can use your 7-zip or the Windows internal zip. Unzip this file here, USB driver, double click the USB driver, and Android Win USB in INF. This is a driver file. You just need to right click and install here. Install the driver, Android Win USB install, and click yes. The operation completed successfully. We need to install this USB driver. Otherwise, your PC cannot recognize your phone. Okay, go back. Then we just unzip the platform tool, latest Windows. Right click and 7 unzip, extract here. Platform tool, unzip, and here, platform tool, latest Windows. Double click, platform tool, double click, and here, and we just click this file title here. This address here, file address, click it, and key in CMD. Yeah, key in CMD, and enter. Then this command line window will be pop up. Okay, everything is perfect. Then we just go back to the compress this file, this folder, compressed. Next step, then we just long press power button and the volume down button to make our phone into the recovery mode. Yeah, fast boot mode. Into the fast boot mode. Long press power button and the volume down button. Yeah, then make our phone into the fast boot mode. Yeah, fast boot mode. Long press. Yeah, now it's on the fast boot mode. Then we just connect our PC with this Xiaomi phone here. Connect PC with Xiaomi phone, and but make sure your phone already unlocked. As I mentioned on the beginning of this video, you need to unlock your phone. Then we do this step. Okay, we already connected with our Xiaomi phone and with this PC, and put our phone aside. Then we need to flash the recovery onto this phone to make the recovery flash it onto our phone. Okay, let's go back to the blog. So for the Xiaomi, I already put here for the Xiaomi model. For the other models, you need to see here. See your guidance by yourself here. For example, for other different for Google phone, for example, for Google, you just see your Google's guidance here. Click it and the installation guidance. You need to see by yourself how to flash it. But for the Xiaomi 6, I already put a command here. You just put a command here. Okay, we just copy this fast boot flash recovery and a space. Yeah, here is a space here space, and right click and go back to this command line. Here right click your mouse, right click, and here is a space. Here is a space, and go back to this folder, and we just drag this recovery file, drag and drop here, drag and drop here. You can see, so fast boot flash recovery space, and drag and drop the file here, and then click enter to flash the recovery. Click enter. Yeah, sending recovery, okay. Writing recovery, okay, perfect. So everything job done, finished. Then we needed to reboot to the recovery. Yeah, reboot to the recovery. We need to long press volume up and the power button here. Long press volume up and the power button at the same time. These two buttons, volume up and the power button together. Then, yeah, after we see the Mi logo, release. Yeah, release the power button, but the volume up still pressed. Release this power button. Yeah, now you can see we already in this recovery mode here. I mean this LineageOS recovery. Then we needed to do a factory reset here. Factory reset. Click the factory reset and format system partition here. Factory data, factory reset. Yeah, format cache, format system partitions. We needed to do the factory. Yeah, we needed to do the factory data, factory reset. Click this one, factory reset. Yeah, factory reset. Click it, and format data. Format data. This cannot be undone. Click format data. Yeah, formatting data. After wiping data, factory reset finished. Then we just go back and click this apply update here. Apply update. Apply from ADB. Click it. Apply from ADB. Then we just put our mobile phone aside. Apply from ADB. Then we will use another command line here. ADB sideload and space. Here is a space. Here is a space. Right click, copy, and go back to his. Right click your mouse and ADB /d sideload space. Here is a space. Here is a space here, and we needed to drag that LineageOS room onto this command line. Yeah, cool. And drag and drop this room file here. So ADB sideload space C and drag and drop here, and click enter to flash the Xiaomi phone. Let's have a look. I will click enter. So let's have a look. There will be allow access. Public works, allow access, allow. Click allow. Then you will see this status here, 3%, 4%. So here there's some sentences, some command here. Just wait patiently. The percentage may be reached to the around 50%. The whole process will be finished, not 100%. I mean, after the reach to the 50%, everything job done. Yeah, there's no need to 100%. That's so it's very strange, but it works normally. So just wait to this finished around the 50%. Just be patient. After finished, your phone will go back to this. Your phone will go back to the recovery interface. Yeah, go back to that recovery interface. Now it's in the command line interface. Okay, just wait patiently. Okay. Okay, so you can see daemon starts successfully, and you can see it's already finished this process, and the command line is look like this, and the phone is go back. You can see go back to the recovery page. Then we just click reboot system now. We click reboot system now to reboot into this LineageOS. Now we just need to unplug our phone with the PC. Everything job done. We just first time to reboot to the LineageOS. It will take you like 5 minutes because this is the first time reboot. It will need some more times for finish the loading the system. Okay, just be patient. You can see here, this is LineageOS. That the page logo here, and this is our first time to log on to the system. Okay, you can see now perfect. Welcome to LineageOS. We just click start, and English United States, click next, no SIM card, skip, and click next, skip, and allow, click untick, click next, and click next, untick, and click next, skip, no need to the pin number, next, start. Yeah, cool, we already flashed with the latest LineageOS, and go back to the settings. Yeah, go to the settings. This is killer functions. Yeah, go to this hotspot tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Yeah, cool, right? Wi-Fi hotspot open, and here allow clients to use VPNs, permits hotspot clients to use this device's VPN connections for upstream connectivity. It's cool, this function is really cool. And go back. Then we can use this PC to send your VPN applications. For example, plug our phone, we connect with our Mi 6, and go here, charging, and click this button, and charging this device via VPN, click it, and file transfer. Click file transfer. Then we can say here, the Xiaomi phone is already here. Then we can just transfer like this one. The VPN application, copy the VPN application, go to the Xiaomi 6 and internal storage, and go to this, for example, we just put the file into the download folder, and right click and paste, right? And let's go back to our phone. Go back to the phone and go to the files here, files, and go to download folder. Then we can install. Click it, setting, allow from source, install. So we can install this VPN. Click done. Go back to desktop. Here, we already finished the installation of these VPN applications. Then you just use your VPN, connected with your VPN, and share your hotspot with your PC, with your TV. It's really cool, this function. Okay, if you like my sharing, don't forget thumb up, and see you next time. Bye-bye.